my channel. It's your girl Slay LT, and I am back with another video today, y'all. As you can see, I did braid my hair as I stated in the last video, but y'all, this is why I don't like to braid my hair, because I have such bad dandruff. Oh my god, when I tell y'all, I really should do a dandruff picking video, because my hair is just always full of dandruff. Anyway, I'm probably going to keep this in for a few more days. I'm going to oil my scalp obviously today, and then I think I'm going to keep it in for another week. Halloween, well, I think the party that we're supposed to be going to, the Halloween party that we're supposed to be going to, is this coming Saturday. It's the weekend of Halloween. So it would be this, what's today? Today's the 21st. So it would be this, dang, I feel like we just paid rent. Like, gosh, what is up with the time? Is just flying by, y'all. This year is almost over, and as you guys know, we are planning on getting married next year. So I've been doing like some major starting plan. It was supposed to be this year, but we had so much stuff that we had to take care of. But anyway, this haul is actually a Shein haul. I know I started this haul talking about so many different things, but I'm going to get right to that in a second. But I just want to remind you guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn your notification bells on so you do know when I post new videos. Y'all, the subscription is free. Why y'all acting like y'all got to pay some? Y'all watching the content. Y'all know y'all. If you don't like it, just hell, put a thumbs down, whatever, so I can keep bringing you guys great videos. Go ahead and like the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Turn your notification bells on so you are aware when I do post new videos. I'm going to get right into this one. I'm not really going to do any standing up or anything on this video. I know I don't on my videos for the most part. I just came from the gym. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to take a shower in a few, and then I have to cook dinner. And I did want to work on some designs that I have. I'm probably going to do that after, or probably while I'm cooking dinner. Once I get everything situated. Everything I'm cooking tonight, I'm not frying anything. We had fried fish last night. So I'm gonna keep everything. I think I'm gonna do some jerk chicken legs. I saw this jerk barbecue seasoning the other day when I went to this mart that we go to. It's like an international food market. They have everything in there, and I always just get so amazed with the new items they have. I just go down the aisles and check out the Jamaican food, Asian food, I should say Caribbean food, items, new seasonings that they have, Asian food, what else? Just new items, y'all. If y'all have one near y'all, go check it out. I mean, they have a plethora of different items, different things you can use to cook food, seasoning, all that good stuff. But let me just go ahead and get into this. This is the bag box that it came in, and I am upset about this because look, it looked like someone literally just cut the box open and looked in my box. I was kind of pissed about this, so I'm gonna see how this looks, and if it's looking like it's ripped or torn or something like that, I will be sending it back to Shein. I don't think it's Shein's fault. I actually think it's the traveling of the item. It went through UPS, and it went through UPS and then USPS. So yeah. And again, this is a very, very short haul. It's only 2 items. So let me get to the first item first. I know you guys saw the shoe. I'm going to get to that, but let me show y'all what I have in here first. And y'all, today was my first day back to the gym in 2 weeks, so I was very excited about that. I did an hour, which I am extremely happy and proud of myself for. So I'm going to get back into rowing, because I noticed before when I would do 30 minutes on the rowing machine, my legs slimmed down really fast. So I'm going to try to stay consistent with that for 2 weeks just to see the changes. I really want my legs to slim down. So I've been looking at a few wedding dresses, and the ones that I want, I think I'm actually going to do 2 dresses. I'm going to do one because I plan on having a beach wedding. So I'm going to do one that is going to be kind of like short but it's gonna have a it's not, it's gonna have a train, but it's gonna be kind of, I would say beach, what's the word I'm looking for? Beach appropriate. And then the second dress, of course, I will wear that at my reception. So I'm looking at 2 dresses. Hopefully I can afford to get 2, but that's what the plan is. So I'll get more in detail into that in another video, but let's go ahead and get into this one. The first item, y'all, when I saw this, I was like, I had to have it. I love warmth. As you guys know, I love to be warm. This is an actual cardigan. It's pretty long. It's a cardigan jacket. It's extremely warm. It has that warm material, and this is the shoulder. The shoulder is like a quilt type material. Now, initially, this had sold out. I had purchased it, I believe it is a 1XL. So I had purchased it in a 2XL, and then I read the, what am I trying to say? I read the reviews. My head is all over the place today. Probably because I'm hungry, I hadn't eaten. I read the reviews, and a lot of people said that it was too big, but I'm trying it on my arm now, and I can definitely see it's going to be tight on around the arm part. I probably should have gotten a 2XL. I mean, it fits, but it's definitely a little snug there, as you guys can see. I didn't pull it all the way up, but hopefully in the next 2 weeks I'll lose a little bit around my arms, and it will be just okay. So that's that. And that's actually pretty warm. I like the warmth of the sleeve as well. Let's check these shoes. I already know my rating for this Shein haul is going to be an 8, because I hate, look at this box. The box is all bent up. It was like, it's cut on the bottom, so somebody literally cut the box open and see what was in here. So let me show you this box. I'm gonna show y'all this box. Show y'all what I'm working with. Look, I'm so upset about this. Like, I feel so violated about this. It's like somebody cut it and was like, you know what? Let me see what's in this box. I don't even know. But, and look, now I'm starting to think it was a return. Why is it taped up on the box as well? Oh no. Let's see what it's giving. Because if it's giving, okay. So it definitely looks like it's, I don't know. Let me see. Let me see if it's giving worn. What y'all think? Does that look like it's been worn? I don't know. This is the bottom. I don't even know what this is on the bottom of these shoes. It's like some type of, I don't know. These definitely look like they've been worn though, now that I'm looking at it, because, I don't know. Let me just see the inside of it. It smells new. Okay, these are the boots. So these are kind of cute. I did like them online. They have, of course, they have the fake zipper on the side. That's really what got my attention. I knew it wasn't a real zipper, but I'm going to try these on to see how they fit. I don't know. They look kind of worn to me. I could be tripping, but maybe I asked my son if they look worn to him. And I only tell because the car is kind of bent right here. And then that bottom just really got me. Maybe they just, if they return them, maybe they just try. And I'm kind of like rubbing the bottom so I can see what's possible that it wasn't worn. And this is probably just like a factory stick, something, probably some type of glue, factory glue, I want to say. I'm trying to say. So I'm trying it on now. Let me just see how it fits. See if it's comfortable. If it's not comfortable, it's definitely going back. Ugh. Let's see. Actually, I have a lot of space in this. And this is another thing I hate about Shein. So Shein shoes, their 8.5 is really a size 8. or their 8.5 is really a size 9. Because these shoes are too big for me. Like, literally. Yeah, I'm going to have to. I think I'm going to send these back. I don't know. Because they're 41, which would be a 8.5. And to me, when I walk in these, I can already tell it's going to be lifting up on my feet. I don't know. And the reason why I say I don't know, because so I have returned something in Shein before. The process is just, sometimes it's not even worth it. I'm going to sleep on it to see if I should turn it. If I should return it. I don't know, guys. What y'all think? So now, this literally just brought me down to about a 6. You know what? I'm going to go halfway. I'm going to go 5. Not excited about this one at all. Listen, Shein, I need y'all to get on top of y'all game, because with the exception of one item from Temu, which was that dang on that cardigan, that long weird print cardigan. I call it a sheet because it definitely looks like a sheet. Y'all, Temu is kind of stepping up on their game. I just ordered I'm gonna show you guys. It should be here in a couple of weeks, but the items that actually in another week or so, about a week. The past items that I have ordered from Temu, they've actually stepped up their game a little bit. So I don't know if they are in comparison with Shein, but Shein, you guys are going like, y'all going down. And another thing I noticed on Shein recently is they are selling more branded items now. They have Balmain on there. They have Marc Jacobs. What else did I see? It was a couple of major brands on there, and the items were like $400, $1,000. I was like, wait a minute. If I'm gonna spend $1,000 on an item, I'm not gonna get it from Shein. I mean, you guys, y'all getting ahead of yourself just a little bit too much. These boots were actually, I believe they were 16. I have to double check. Y'all, this, when I tell y'all this Shein haul is bad, they didn't even have they don't even have the receipt in this bag. Like, I don't, y'all get a 5 this time. I'm disgusted because I just really feel violated about the shoes. I don't know. It's just something about that's just not fitting right with me. And again, I know it's only clothes. Maybe some people are like, why is she getting all in a tizzy about it? But it's my money. And if I get something I want quality, I want it to be at least, I know you get what you pay for, true indeed, but I want to at least have it in a box, a decent box. This is not decent. And this is one of the beefs that I have with Shein. There's no reason why I should receive my item with a cut box. It literally looks like someone just took a knife and just cut it and was like, you know what? Let me see what she got in there. If I like it, I'm taking it. That's not what we doing. So, Shein, step up on your game. I'm going to sit and marinate on the fact that I don't know if I want to turn this back in or not. If I do decide to keep it, cool. The boot is a little big, but it definitely have room in it. And that does tell me that I can wear some socks with this. So, I probably will keep it. I don't have too many of these flat boots. It's not too bad. It's not too loose fitting. I feel like if I put some socks on, it's gonna be okay. It's not like it's this much space. It's about this much space about the top. So with that being said, I'm gonna end this here. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Today is Saturday, October the 21st. And again, my day consisted of working this morning. You guys know I work half day at my regular job. I do have my business that I work on the side, which I usually work after my job. But today I started going back to the gym. I did go, there goes another piece of dandruff. I did go to the dollar store earlier. I was kind of looking for some new glitters, some new paints and stuff. I did buy some paint and stuff. I'll probably post a video of me DIYing some cups. I want to get into more of those as well. And what else? I went to the gym and then I went to the store. So I'm going to end this video here because I'm just yapping at this point. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn notification bells on so you're aware when I do post new videos. And I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Be safe. Always remember to be awesome and do awesome things. And I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's free. 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 Subscribe. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.